My name is Lisa, and I'm standing here in front of a beautiful new bathroom that I had Artisan Design Concepts make for me. Everything was down to the studs originally, so there's new cabinets, new sinks, new floors, new everything. And when I went to look for the tops of my counters, lo and behold, although it was very challenging to find anything in stone, which is what my first preference had been, somebody on Nextdoor actually recommended me to Artisan Design Concepts with the thought of putting on epoxy. So I met with Stacy, the owner of Artisan Designs, and I went to her showroom, and I was completely blown away by the abilities that they have to match whatever types of colors and designs. You can choose your edges, you can choose your surfaces, and Stacy is amazingly creative. I had already bought these, what I thought were beautiful sinks, which were very challenging to get anything to go with, but she came up with this beautiful design and the colors that I wanted. And I think one of the main reasons I originally had gone to them was because even if I was able to find some stone that I liked, I couldn't get a fabricator to meet with me for at least 3 months, and then who knows how long it would have taken. And I'm not the most patient person in the world, and I was in a hurry to get things done. And one of the other beauties of working with Stacy was that she was on time, on spec. Everything was done in a very professional way. She makes samples for you, she adjusts, she brings you into the shop to see things along the way. I just can't say enough about how wonderful it was to work with them. Their pricing was exceptional, and just the ability to get what you want when you want it was huge for me. And as you can see, the final result was way better than even I imagined it would be, even though I imagined it would be pretty great.